What's up, guys? It's Davis, Flopping Crappie YouTube channel. My goodness, it is hot. It's like 85 degrees right now. It's the middle of May. Spring pretty much just skipped. Went straight from winter to summer. Water temps in these back bays are mid-60s now. Literally 3 days ago, they were in the mid-50s. So today's goal is finding some spawning crappie on this crystal clear lake. There's a reason it's crystal clear. It's not a good reason. There's a bunch of zebra mussels in it which actually filter out all the water. But we're gonna try to find some spawning crappie on some beds. Hopefully we can get on some bedded crappie, get you some underwater footage, and hopefully put a slab or two in the boat. All right, let's go. All right, so I want to explain this little setup before I drop it down in the water. My goodness, that sun's bright. Went with the 15-pound anchor. Got a gooseneck and a waterproof case. So hopefully that'll get some footage. I'm excited. We got the scent rings. We got slab sauce. We got ACC crappie sticks. Deadly combo. Oh, there's a fish. And that's a crappie, yes! Found them. Found them. Found them, thank goodness. About time. It's a nice black crappie. All right, just let that guy go. Let's see if there's more in there. There he is. Oh, he's a pumpkin seed. Still fun to catch. Wow, he inhaled it. Oh, there's a nice one. There it is. That's a good, oh, that was a good black crappie. Oh, that was a good one. I found him. Found the beds. Just getting ready to put this guy down on a crappie bed. Just gotta find it. Probably should have marked it. All right, so here's the setup. Found some crappie. They're bedded. I found 4 different crappie, or two different beds. There's a male and a female on both. Got one marked with a bobber, and I can't even see it from here. Not that big a deal. I'll go over there. Got one marked with a bobber. Got an underwater camera set up right on the bed, so hopefully I can take this little setup here. Got a 32nd ounce jig head, black and chartreuse, Pico scent ring. I'm gonna spray it with some slab sauce and a little balsa wood bobber here. Got about 1.5 feet down. It's about 2 to 2.5 feet of water. Hopefully we can get all 4 of these bedded crappie to hit. I'm not gonna keep them, I'm gonna let them go. Finish fishing the rest of this brush line because I know there's gonna be more crappie. They're set up right on the edge. You're in about 2.5 to 3 feet of water. That's where they made their beds. Pumpkin seed are bedding. There's some bass bedding. Everything's just spawning right now. We had such a late spring and pretty much an early summer, so everything is just spawning right now. All right, I think I gave it enough time to calm down a little bit. So I'm gonna go back over to my bobber. I'm gonna spray some good old slab sauce on the little Pico scent ring here. It's a little crappie.com setup for just in case you don't know. Jeez, almost fell out of the dang boat. Oh, there he is, there he is. Yes, that's a good fish too. It's a good crappie. Stay on, buddy. Stay on. That's a good crappie. Yeah, I lied. He's a decent crappie. There we go. Let's see what he is. I'm gonna guess a 9. Oh, come on. There he is. There's that other crappie right there. I think this is the male. I don't know. Oh, he's pretty dark, but The one I lost was really, really dark. No, this is a female. Look how fat that belly is right there. Look how fat that is. That's definitely a female. I'm gonna let her go. Oh, there he is. Oh, please tell me I got him on footage. I caught him. Oh, I hope I got him on the under. No. Oh, man. Oh, I so hope I got that on footage or on underwater camera. Let's flip it back in there. See if we can get him again. He's right in the weeds. Round 2. Trying to get these crappie to hit. My goodness, you gotta, if you're gonna do this, you gotta flip it right. You gotta make a decent flip. That's not even close to what you want. Hopefully these crappie are fairly forgiving. I don't know. Oh, there he is, yes. Oh, that is not a crappie. That's a pike. That's a big pike too. I don't want to retie. Well, I got it on camera though. He's not a big pike. He's probably about a 22-inch pike. Come on, buddy. Get out from under the boat, please. Oh, he's a little bigger than I thought. He might be about 28. Oh, goodness. You're killing my runtime on my battery, buddy. Jesus. Nope, get out of the trolling motor. No, it's fine. I think I can get it. It's a pike. I don't care. Ow. Broke me off. Well, pike broke off. Just talked to a bass fisherman. Hasn't been catching any big ones because there really aren't any big ones in this lake. I knew that was going to happen with the pike. As soon as I grabbed the line, I thought it was tired out. He was gonna break me off. Good news is, my bobber that I broke off, oh, you're in the sun. Where is it? This will be right in here. I can't see on my screen. Oh, there he is. There he is. Probably can tighten it up. There's a crappie. There you are. Little guy though, but I'm gonna guess it's a female, just how fat that belly is. Oh, come on, there we go. It's only about a 7-8 inch fish, but that is a fat belly. Oh, there he is. Hit it on the drop. Fighting like a little bit better of fish. Come on, buddy. I think this is that male. Yep, look how black that belly is. Look how black that belly is. That's definitely the male. That's a good one. 10 1/4 right there. Oh, there he is. Yes. And I got him on camera. There he is. He's not a big one, but I know for a fact I got him on camera. He was right in front. He's the male. Look how dark these bill. Oh, well, you know what that was spraying out of him. About 9 3/4. I'm gonna throw him in. Let's see if we can get the female on camera. So this is one of those big females. So you can see it's got a pretty bloated stomach there for only being a, I don't know, 7-8 inch fish. I'm gonna throw her back. She's just right over here. See ya. So there we go. Some really nice dark male crappies on the Pico scent rigs, slab sauce, ACC crappie sticks. Everything will be linked below. You can check them all out. But man, that's a beautiful black crappie right there. Look at that. Just so dark. So, be sure to like and share the video. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, below the video is a red subscribe button. Be sure to click that bell, where you get notified every time I post a video with some of these guys. At the end of the video, you'll see my face holding some crappie. You can click on that to subscribe. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you.